can be right now too, smooth. Beautiful morning.
Gonna go do some sheep fishing. Here's the Coron River. Dogs are happy. Wind's blowing a little bit. And that one's cooking.
Another chum sand. Big old grizz up there fishing. That's the smallest one I think we've caught out of here, and that's still about an 8-pounder, maybe 10. Well, that is a hog. Nice fish. He's big. Looks like you won that battle. Hit the like button. If you know somebody that could really use this information, please share it with them. And when you subscribe, hit that bell if you want to know more, because it'll notify you when I have new videos coming out. Tell me if you want to know more, what you want to know more about.